Hello guys, this is Migo. Welcome to the part 2 from our tutorial. So today I will show you how to make this random material. I will show you how to make this random material, and I will show you how to make this logo different from this logo. Okay guys, let's go. Let's put this aside. Okay. And in the last video I showed you how to make this effect. Okay guys. And I deleted all those keyframes because we don't need them right now. Okay, let's start by going to select our base mesh, and let me correct this. I write it nice, what it's base. Okay guys, now we need to set a new material here, and let's call it logo 1. Okay guys, and let's go to the shading, and let me... Okay, we are in the UV editor, and don't worry about this image. Okay, and let's go to the... And let me activate our shortcuts. Okay guys, let's go. Now let's see, we need a new material to this base, so let's add a color ramp and plug the color into the base color, and let's choose a pink color and like cyan to blue color, and maybe yellow. Let's say yellow. And we can't see all those colors because we need another node called geometry, and we need to plug the position to the factor like this. See now guys, you can see our colors, and if you change like this, you can control your color from here. You can add another color like green or something. Okay guys, but this method is only work in the position. If you move your object like this, it will go guys, it will not show. You can use another random par Iceland, but you need to realize your instance first. But it will be like every random bar with its own color. So let's stay with the position like this, because we don't need to move our instance. We need to move only the empty like this. So now we need to add an image texture, and let's bring our logo from download logos. We need logo 1, and let me show you. Let's go to this face and press UV and wrap like this guys, and let's plug our logo to the emission like this, and let's rotate this. See guys, if we go like this, we have like our logo repeated many times. So set this from repeat to extend, so we don't see it again. And let's I mean, we don't see the repetition again, not our logo. And let's adjust this like this. I think it's good. And now we need another logo in the same base bar. So add it a new material like this, and go to our logo 1, and let's press here, and let's name this logo 2, and let's change this image texture to something like random person. Okay, we can't see it right now because we are selecting logo 1. So let me remove this really quick. Okay guys, you can see now our random person logo. Okay, let's okay, like this. We need two materials in the same logo guys. We need the two materials in the same base bar. Okay guys, like this. Now let's go to our Instagram bar, and let's go here horizontal like this. Let's timeline. I think let me join this first. Oh my god, join this and join these areas, and we need to split this. Go here, timeline. Okay, and now we need to do a material to our Instagram page. Okay, let's remove this and add new material, and add our logo 1, and press here and set this to Instagram material. Okay guys, now what we need to do is let's split this vertical and go to the UV editor. Okay, now we are good. Save this and let's go to this face and press project from view. Okay, now let's scale it like this. Okay guys, now let's go to change this image. We need to change it to our screenshot. Okay guys, like this, let's scale it and like this, scale it right here. Okay guys, and let's remove those colors because we don't need them, and let's plug our image texture in the base color like this, and set a little bit of metallic and the roughness kinda low. Okay guys, now we have our materials, so let's go to the material here and I will show you something. Where is our okay, select our base, and I need to change this text color to something like let's add a color ramp to control the colors, and let's set this to yellow like this. And okay, what's wrong? Ah, okay, we are in logo 2, so sorry guys. Let's bring this here again. Let's go to the logo 1. Let's add a color ramp. Now we can control our text color like this, blue. Let's set it to yellow, I think better. And let's bring the image into like 4. Okay guys, now what we need to do is to duplicate this, and I will tell you why. And let's set mix. We need another node, mix shader, like here, and put it like this guys, and let's plug this into the shader too. Okay guys, and we need because we have in this material we have follow button, but we need when the arrow hits the follow, it's changing to following or unfollow or whatever you want. So let's what we did is just duplicated this material to this, and we can change now this image texture to following. Okay guys, now if we change this factor from left to right, now if we change it to 0, we have follow our first material. If we change it to 1, now we have the second material of the second texture of following. So we can play with keyframe in this, and it will change like this guys. Okay okay, let's leave it like this until we do our animation, then we can play with it or change it later. Okay guys, now how we can randomize our materials between logo 1 and logo 2. So in my original project, I did all of this like random, only one bar that has my text and my logo. So we're gonna do by using geometry nodes, and it's very easy guys, but I will not lie to you, I didn't know how those nodes work very well, but it worked in some way. So let's we need a lot of nodes here to work. So basically we need a node that called set material index guys, and I will tell you what this node do. And we need another node that called stored, name it attribute. Basically this node is storing our we set our materials into this object or this bar, and we have a lot of instances in this object. So we need our materials to be stored from this object. So let's go here and change this from point to instance, and let's name this like mat materials. Okay guys, now if we change this index guys, see we have only 2 materials. So if we change between 0 and 1, our material change here like this. Okay guys, but what we need is to mix between those materials and make them show in the same time, but everyone in its own bar. Okay, so we do that. We need a realized instance node, and this node is make every bar like individual geometry, so it's not related to the other bars. Okay guys, and we need another node that called named attribute, and we need to copy this this name like here, like this, mat and change this to vector. Okay guys, and plug this here to the index. And to randomize this, we need of course a random value like this, and we change this to vector. Okay guys, and plug this to plug the attribute to the id, and plug the random value to the material index like this guys. And we need a node to index like this, and plug it in this value. Okay guys, now if we play with this this value, we have we said we have 2 materials, so if we set this to 2 like this, or 3, see how the color change guys. And we need to play with the seeds. We'd like let me bring a timeline here so we can see better guys. Timeline, let's go here. Okay, what we said guys is okay, we have our index, and change this from float. I forget to change this from float to vector guys. Okay, and we need to plug this index to the value like this. And I think now we are good. Let's randomize our materials and press here, like choose this to 2. And we need another node that called math node like this, and set this to absolute. Okay guys, and let's change this to something like 0. Why it didn't work? Vector. See guys, why this didn't work for me, because I'm stupid. And I said we need to set this to the same name of this. Okay, and I type it here in like the capital letter. Let's correct this to math. Now see guys, it's working now. I'm sorry guys, I'm still so stupid. Okay guys, let's set this to like we can play with seeds to make the material change like we want. We need set because we have like 2 materials, we need to set this to like a higher number to make our second material have a lot of chance to show, but our first material like less chance to show. So let's set this like to 4. Now we don't see our materials, but if we play with seeds, see guys, if we play with those seeds, we can show our material in different places. So you can set your material whatever in whatever place you want. I think in the 10 seed I like my material to be here, so I can do my animation. See guys, so what we do, okay, we have like another material here, so let's I think change the seed. Let's play until we get a better seed. Let's change this to something higher like this. I think it's good. So basically guys, if you want like to not get duplicated material, you need to set this max to higher value. So the second material with this node absolute, the second material have a higher chance to show in our instances. So I think the value of 5 is enough for us. Okay, even if we crank up the count, I think okay, like this. Okay guys, now we have our materials here. So what we're gonna do is go to the shading, and we're gonna hide this material. Let's select our base. Let's join this like this. And what we're gonna do here is go to the emission, guys, go to the emission strength and set this to like okay, let's go to the animation first. Let's animate our arrow first. Let's set this to like 300 frame. Go here, put keyframe right there, and go to like 30 and go here like this guys. And we're gonna adjust this in a little bit, and do this, duplicate this keyframe, go to like 40 and go to the 50 and go here, duplicate this keyframe to the 60, go to the 70, go here and duplicate this to the 80 and go like to 21 and go here like we need to offset this like in here and duplicate this keyframe like this 25 and we need I think 130 and go like to this 160 and go here. Oh my god, we need to do all our keyframes again. Okay, let's delete this. Okay guys, okay, we can do something better. See guys now, let's move this to like in here. Okay, let's move this like this guys. Let's scale this a little bit down. Okay guys, let's go like this. And we need to move this here, and let's see. Okay guys, and let's move this again like here in 220 and go here. Let's go here like this. Let's go here. Don't worry about this, we're gonna adjust it later. Okay, let's go here. We need to animate only this arrow like this. Okay guys, put this keyframe here and let's animate our arrow to go here like this, and go here and like this guys. Okay, let's see now. See guys, okay, I think our animation is good now. So let's go to our first material, first logo, and let's go to the shading. And we need to hide this material until our arrow hits it. So let's go like in here, like this. In here, I think here 150, and let's select our first material or first texture and set our emission to like 0 so we can hide it, and press key and insert keyframe right here and go to the 60 and let's set our emission to 4 again and replace the keyframe. And see now guys, see our material now is we hide our material until the arrow hits it. See, like this. I think we are good guys, and let's bring this a little bit here like this, and let's go here and adjust this keyframe like this. And you need only to move the arrow, don't move the empty with it, because if you move the empty, everything will move with it and he will destroy your animation. So you need only to move this. Okay guys, I think like this is good. So what we need to do is the other wave animation. We need to do like something like this. Let's duplicate this keyframe and let's make like a click animation. Let's set keyframe right here, go here. Let's rotate it a little bit like this, and see now guys, it's like clicking on the follow button like this. See guys, now what we need to do is to change our factor here. So when the arrow hits the follow, it's changing to the follow. We need to keyframe this. So let's see right here and set keyframe right there, and let's go here and change the factor to 1 and set keyframe right there, and see now, see guys, and it's working right now. and that's good. And we need to another click right here, so let's do this like this, and let's go here and let's click rotate. Okay guys, let's see now. It's a little bit like this. See guys? Okay, you know how to do this. Now we need to fix this material in here. Let's split this at a UV editor. Let's go to the select, invert, and we need to set a new material. Let's set it to logo 1 assigned. So we have let's see in isolated view. Okay, we have this material now in the background like this. I think it's good. Okay guys, now I think let's see our animation. Join this. Let's see our animation now. Let's change this to this. Let's see right now. It's like 200 frame. Okay, so our animation starting slow here because we keyframed. We added a lot of keyframe in here, so it's starting like slow. Then it will be fast. Then when it sees this, it's like go back, and we need to adjust this. So we need it when it clicks here. This is like go down. Okay, we need to like adjust it a little bit here, and we need more frames like 240. Okay, let's see now. If it click, it will go down like this. Okay. Okay guys, and we need to add the other effect. It's the wave effect. So what we need to do is a little bit tricky, because if we added let me show you. If we added here a wave effect, like see, it will move every instances. See guys, and we need this effect to be only when the arrow hits here. We need it only when the arrow hit here. It's here to follow the wave start. So how we gonna do that? It's a little bit tricky. So let's. Okay guys, this is our animation, and now let's add a material to this, like blue or something. Like we just adjusting the keyframes until we get a satisfied animation, like this and like this. And that's it guys. I think we finished our animation. Guys, I did have a problem with the wave when I was recording the tutorial, so let's make it right now. Let's correct it. So in the first video you saw me like when the arrow clicks in the follow button, there is a small wave there. But if we do wave here, see, it's like we don't have enough geometry for the wave to work, because our wireframe, you see our wireframe, our topology is very low. So what we need to do is we need to duplicate this like this, and we need to remesh this. Remesh it like this, and set shade smooth, and let's apply the remesh. Let's go here and let's mark this to seam. Let's select this, Ctrl L, and we need to unwrap this. So let's go the shading. We need to make the same material for this. Okay, let's project from view, and let's go like this till we get the same size. Okay, like this. Okay guys, I think like this is good. Okay, now we can add our wave effect like this, and see now I will show you what problem I did face. So when I was recording the first try, see, it's like we need the wave to be in the y-axis, not in the in the z-axis, and I didn't if we activate those, it didn't fix the thing. So what I did is just rotate this like this on minus negative 90, and see now, and apply the rotation so it fixes the thing. Let's bring this down like this, guys. See now, it fixed it. So what we're gonna do is just rotate this again, and don't apply the rotation, guys. So let's put this here again. Let's go here, right there, put it like here. Let's go into here, and let's put an empty to control where the wave will start, like right here, and go to the start position and select our sphere empty. Okay guys, now see if we move this sphere empty, it will move with it the effect. We need to put it in the follow button right here, and we need to play with those values until we get good wave. Let's do it like this, and let's make it big like this. I think this is good. Let's go to the time and bring the speed down. I think 0.005 or 8, like this. Let's see now. We need it to start from here, so let's keyframe the height here to 0, and go here and keyframe it to like 1 or something. I think 1.3 will work. Let's see 1.3, and put keyframe here, and go like 5 frames, and right here, and keyframe it to 0 again, like this. Okay, and let's play with the offset a little bit, like this. Let's see now. Let's play with the width. Okay guys, and let's move this a little bit here. Let's like this. Okay, I think it's looking good, guys. So we need to hide this in the same technique that we hid the other one. So let's add it just let's go here, select all those vertex. We need a vertex group, assign this, and we need to go here and add a mask modifier. Right, this, select our vertex group, set this to smooth, and let's see if our vertex group work or no, or our mask. Okay, we need to hide it until like here. Let's see, until here. We need to set a keyframe right there, and go 1 frame, and set this to 0 again, like this. Okay, I think like this is good. Let's see now. I think the wave it's a little bit fast. Let's adjust our wave keyframes. Let's do this. Let's see now. Okay, it's looking good right now. And don't worry about this. It's like we need to just adjust it like this and scale it a little bit up until it covers the other bar. Okay, it's just like a fake bar, you know. See, guys, we need to scale it a little bit. It's not perfect, but I just did it to show you what I did in the other project. And you can do the same. You can do the same thing to this bar. You can remesh it and put a wave here, and when the arrow hits here, when the arrow click here, you can add a wave in the same technique that we used here. And I think what you should do now is just add a camera and make your camera follow this arrow like this, and keyframe the camera, and I think everything will be fine. Okay guys, I think that's it, and I hope you learned something. leave like, comment, and if you have any questions, just ask me in the comment section, and thank you.